Good evening, everyone.
Evening,
wow,
yes.
wow. Okay, we have quite a good crowd today. I think we are here at Paragon Metro doing an exclusive launch
That's
for
right.
World Kitchen's Orbit Fryer. You can see. A lot of people will say, okay, what does this fryer do?
Yeah, it looks very cyber galactic.
Is it a rice cooker? Can it be used for stir fry? Can it be used for stew? What does it do?
There's actually 4 functions. Would you like to share with us?
Yeah, so I want to tell you that this World Kitchen Orbit Fryer actually has a lot of functions. You know, it has a few functions that can do stir fry, stew, and then you're able to cook rice in it as well.
And also sous vide.
Yes, so when you have this, you actually don't need a rice cooker anymore. You can set the timing.
You can see that it's rotating
You
inside.
can set the timing at 15 minutes or up to you depending. And you can set the fire at small, medium, large. So we're going to start at high heat,
High heat.
upright.
Okay.
So basically in a stew, what you need, I think all of you have the recipes already.
Yes,
This
we all have the
chicken stew
recipe on
is
hand,
very
so you can
easy
refer.
to prepare at home for a festive. So once you heat it up, you see, very fast, you can feel it. Very fast, it heats up.
And I feel it. Wow. I can feel the heat
You
instant.
look at it, how deep it is. It has a capacity of 6 liters.
Wow.
6 liters capacity, meaning you can stew one whole chicken at a weight of between 1.3 to 1.5.
Wow, that's amazing.
So we add in a little bit of olive oil.
And the beauty of this thing is it heats up so fast. Within like maybe 1 minute while we're talking, and it gets totally heat up. And by the time we pour oil on a normal frying pan, we'll expect to see some spluttering and also lots of smoke. So far, so good.
See, in the normal frying pan,
Yeah.
you usually see a lot of smoke.
Yes, and our pepper bread somewhere.
And even when you have water contact, it spills.
Yes.
But this is so deep, even when the onion is still chilled,
Yes.
and with a little bit of water on the surface, it doesn't.
So safe for all the housewives and ladies who cook at home, right? No more spluttering, no more scalding, and also no more marks and burns on your beautiful hands.
Okay, see? So once it's inside, give it a stir. Just like how you do a stew.
I see that you're using a special spatula as well. So this
Right.
is
is-
specially made for World Kitchen Orbit Fryer, right?
Yes, this is a Pyrex brand spatula. So it can be used in all of World Kitchens or Corel brands products because it's just nice for non-stick. It's not made of metal.
Yeah.
And it has a good heating element up to 200 degrees.
Wow. So it's good. Sometimes we have all the coating, and when you use other brands or even our brands, you realize that if your spatula is actually made of metal, it scrapes this protective layer of the coating.
And also when you're doing a stir fry, especially a stew, you need to put in whole shallots and garlic. And at the same time, while you want to work on other products, this has a function that rotates.
Wow, it's spinning.
See, that rotates so that it turns things evenly. Just to let you have a closer look, I tilt this down.
Can you all see this side? Yep.
You can see?
So while you're busy, right, and you're afraid that the flame may just burn and char your food while you're going to do your preparation, this is helping you to sort of light stir fry your garnishing. Yeah.
Okay, at this point of time, we have to add in our carrots. Okay, cut up carrots.
It makes cooking so much easier.
Makes cooking so much easier, and at the same time, it doesn't burn. You can turn on the fire.
It's where the art meets science. The art of cooking meets the technology behind cooking. Wow, fantastic.
So basically for a chicken stew, very important is the 3 vegetables.
Right.
We need to have our onion, our carrot, and our celery.
Wow, very nutritious.
And you can see the amount of items, the vegetables that are put in, with this capacity of 6 liters, is still able to move. It could be about close to 800 grams now.
Can I check? So we have a few angles, right? Can
Yeah.
it tilt to the other side for the audience or not yet?
So only this side.
Only this side. Okay. So you all can move over. Can you all smell it? Smelling good? Great.
So of course, if you like to stir, you can still stir it.
Meanwhile, this is when you have already done the preparation. Obviously, we have already chopped out the meats and everything is ready. But at home, of course, all these are not done yet. So that rotating function helps to cook the food evenly. It has a 3D induction cooking, induction heating. So 360 degrees, evenly, well spread heating element.
And also at the same time, while we're preparing this dish, you can see in your recipe, you know, recipes are always, you know, a guideline.
Yes.
You know, you have to come to the actual site to see the chef prepare. At the same time, the chef will share you some tips that you do not get from the recipe. One of the items that is not stated in the recipe is this,
The
tomato paste.
Okay.
This is very important. Without this tomato paste, your chicken stew will still be good,
Yeah.
but not as good.
So this is a secret recipe.
While
So
it's still,
you made it from scratch.
this one, no, you can get it from the supermarket. You
I
don't have
thought
to
you
get
made
it
it
from
for
scratch.
us from scratch.
Put a little bit
Okay.
of tomato paste in there. Okay? Tilt it back.
Tilt it back.
I stop the rotation. I prefer to do hand.
Okay.
I'm
Yeah,
still going
exercising.
to do the stir frying.
Okay.
You see, the whole, all part, 360 degrees, all parts of it is heated evenly. So when you are doing your stew, or even doing your stir fry, you know, even the rotation, it rotates evenly. You see everything, you can see everything here is still very intact.
Yes, and you don't see any part of the food being burned or even charred. So it's even cooking. So we don't have to worry about burning our food while we get busy preparing for the rest of the ingredients.
Okay, at this point of time, we're going to add in the chicken. We have a lot of gas today, so I prepared 2 big box of chicken thigh.
Yes, our star for today. Yeah. So generous, so much chicken. How many grams?
It's about 1.5 kg.
Wow. Okay, enough to feed everybody in the house, okay? So don't worry. But our priority are those who are seated because they registered with us, okay? And then the rest are all mine.
Okay,
More.
you see, when we 6 liters, when you
Yeah.
look at the depth, everybody will say, so small, maybe cannot cook a lot. But you see the amount of items that is going in right now.
By the way, it looks it's just 1/3 cube, even though we have already thrown in so much ingredients, so much meat, and so much food.
See, the amount of heat is going in there. And we're going to make sure that all the meat is being tossed properly with the tomato paste. Going to add a little bit more for the color.
I think people who enjoy good food are always essentially very happy people. So today, everyone who is seated here looks very happy, and we're gonna dish up good food that is made from our World Kitchen Orbit Fryer. And we're gonna let you taste how different this tastes, because you won't get those charred or even burnt ends of the food anymore. And it's so evenly spread out, the heat. Not sure whether you guys have the brochure. If you can, just refer to it. You realize that the difference between a normal frying and also using the World Kitchen Orbit Fryer, there's a lot of difference. Food gets evenly cooked.
And also, if you feel that, okay, too much smoke is coming out, close it.
Yeah, we won't say no smoke. It's just less smoke.
But
Yeah.
now if you have a World Kitchen Orbit Fryer at home, it makes so much easier for you to cook. So you just have to put everything in there, let it cook by itself. So now with all the chicken in there, we're going to add in a little bit of mixed herbs. So this mixed herbs is actually made out of dry oregano and rosemary. See, it's still turning. Okay. given that weight of approximately 2.1 kg plus the vegetables plus the chicken inside, is still able to turn around. You see how strong the mechanism is.
Indeed.
Okay, then I can turn it back again.
The colors already look very festive already. It's like Christmas is around the corner.
Bay leaves,
Bay leaves.
thyme, all going in there. Then at this point of time, a lot of butter goes in as well.
Wow. Yep. So even though we have cooked for a while now, you see a lot of ingredients are being poured inside. Not just because the area is air conditioned. I think even in your own home premise, in your own kitchen, you wouldn't feel so much of the heat itself because it's high insulation efficiency. So which means that the heat produced, you don't get to feel that, you don't perspire so much. And sometimes you just want your whole family to come back while you still look good while preparing the food. So this will be able to help you.
You know, that's not all, huh? 2.1 kg plus potato. Another 200 grams.
I can feed the whole village already, huh? Okay.
We are going to feed the whole village.
I am going to ask level 2, level 1 to join us.
Okay, you can see now it's evenly coated with a nice orangey color, very festive.
Yep.
The peas are going in later. We have some black peppercorn here, very important to put in as well into the stew. Okay, then at this point, we're going to add water.
The stew, we definitely need water.
Just enough to cover.
And also, while we were cooking this as well, just give you a bit of introduction about the bowl kitchen or big fryer. So this entire small little gadget over here only uses a voltage about 200 volts to about 240 volts. This is like your normal home appliance voltage. And also the power is about the 2000 watt, so about 50 hertz. So it's just like the power for a vacuum cleaner around there. Okay. So capacity, just like what Chef Eric has shared with us, it's 6 liters. And the weight of this is only 7.4 kg. Alright, so very nifty.
You take a look. The moment I add in the water, it's already started to boil. Already started to boil. So imagine how evenly cooked it is, all on the sides.
So we can cover this later again.
A little bit more.
So while we can monitor by covering it back, the cover is also transparent, so you can monitor your cooking at any point of time. Because sometimes you add in the water, you need to let it simmer a bit for the stew.
When it's cooking, it has a glass see-through monitoring. You can monitor the cooking from here.
Yeah.
It's boiling at very high heat right now. Again, I can still embrace it. Because
Can
the
I see
outer
how you
layer is not
embrace
very
it?
hot. Yeah, I'm embracing it now. But I'm trying to say that this is not hot on the outside. It's not hot on the
Actually,
outside.
it's not.
But you can see that it's boiling right in there. And I'll set a timer so that you can walk away from your cooking
Right.
and do other things at the same time, not thinking that this will burn because it's stainless. It's a non-stick as well.
So 5 minutes later, what will happen? So you will just
5 minutes, yeah, it will sound you out.
Okay.
Look at it. Wow.
now it's
See,
boiling.
already in boiling point.
Anybody who wants to have ask Eric any questions regarding your food?
But the sugar burn.
Okay,
Valid question.
let me answer you this question. You can cook pineapple jam, strawberry jam, any jam. Or you want to do chutney, everything also can. You blend, you put in. If you ask me, if you put sugar into caramel, is it going to burn? We want it to burn because we want caramel, but we do not want it to overburn. So the good thing about it is when we use a non-stick pan to do caramel, we can easily control it. If we use a stainless steel, that is very difficult unless you're very professional. So if you are using a non-stick to do a caramel, easy to control. You can cook in there and it has that rotating function, so your pineapple jam will be very nice. Okay, now left about 2 minutes. Chicken is boiling, cooking well. making sure that the vegetables are all cooked. At this point of time, we've added in our seasoning, and we're going to add in a little bit of cream. Cream is to make sure that it reduces a little bit more.
Okay.
Get the dish a little bit more creamy, and also enhance the color.
Okay. Colors looks very rich already. You see we have the tomato puree inside. We also have the carrots and then the chicken. So it can actually flavorsome and colorful, very festive.
So every time when I'm doing a demo, before I serve to my guests, I must make sure I taste it myself first.
You just want to taste it, no need to explain. It's okay, go.
No, I have to. I have to taste it myself first. So I must make sure that it's according to what I want to serve. Then I can serve. Okay, so I get a piece of chicken.
And then a bit of the stew.
A bit of the stew sauce. Potato.
Carrot.
Carrot.
There's all the liao there already.
Okay, then I start to rotate it.
Rotate it while you get busy. So while you taste it at home, right, you can just set it to rotating while you taste it so it doesn't stay there on the spot itself.
Wow. Okay.
我觉得看你就好了，我们觉得食物很好吃。
很好吃。Take how long to cook?
很有说服力。
About 25 minutes?
有没有跟你讲过你的吃相很有福气？
没有人说啊。
真的吗？就是你会让所有的食物都看起来非常好吃。
你刚刚说而已。
然后我觉得他们也赞同哎。
有吗？
Do you guys agree that the food looks really good, especially when Chef Eric were to taste it? True? If you think it's true, let's have some applause, please. Okay.
Okay. So later you all don't need to taste it.
That is a trick because we're gonna taste it, okay? But because you make it look so good, I'm sure it's very tasty. And this is it's actually very fast. The whole entire journey of us introducing the work kitchen orbit fryer to telling you how you can prepare the food from Q&A on the spot itself. You know, it's so easy peasy. Your stew is already done at home. So no matter what, whether it's pineapple jam or your fried bee hoon, it can be done.
And the last step is the green pea. See, this one another 500 grams.
So generous, everything in already. Wow.
See, when it's turning, I just have to stay at one point. And everything stops. Okay? See, it tells you. Tick, tick, tick. Okay, it stops. Then the cooking stops as well.
Okay. I think it's time that cooking has such precision because usually in the restaurant everything is precise, the timing, the temperature. So at home you could also do the same with the world kitchen orbit fryer. So timing, precise. If you look at your certain YouTube videos or even a recipe, they tell you 25 minutes, you can use it to time yourself as well. Okay. Temperature kept even because of the internal coating. So it's 360 degree even heating.
Okay. Now I'm going to start to do one plating.
Wow, look at the colors. Very nice, very delicious, right? Yeah. So I think you guys can recreate the same dish in the kitchen as well.